Hey guys, welcome back to my channel today. If you're new, welcome. My name is Kim, and if you are not new, welcome back. Today's video is going to be week 2 of keto. If you haven't watched week 1 yet, I will link it right here. Click this link, watch week 1, and after you watch week 1, come back to this video. You'll understand this video a lot better after you watch week 1. So real quick guys, I just want to say that this was a hard week. I don't know why it was so hard. Week 1 was like a breeze. It was so easy. I was just cooking all the time. I barely ate out. You guys are gonna see it, but I ate out a lot in this video, and whew, I'm not proud of it. It wasn't the cleanest keto, and I was so close to like not filming the rest of the week because I was just eating out so much, and I was like, what is the point of filming this if it's not like a clean keto? But then I said to myself, you know what, just film it. You know, you guys want to see this. You know, this is like real life. It is what it is. And then you guys will see at the end, I did lose a couple pounds, which I was so surprised. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I will see you guys after this video, and yeah. Okay guys, so my starting weight for the week is 157.2 pounds. This was on Sunday, October 11th. So for breakfast today, we're gonna start off by putting a piece of this maple pork breakfast sausage in the air fryer. I'm also gonna be using these carb balanced tortillas. Again, these only have 3 grams of net carbs, which is amazing. And then I just made some scrambled eggs. I'm also gonna add some spring mix into the burrito and top it with some hot sauce. This gives it a nice little kick. And this is my breakfast for today. So for my lunch, I was out and about, so I just stopped at Chick-fil-A and I grabbed a 12-piece grilled nugget cup. I just had the nuggets, nothing else. And then for dinner, I decided to make steak for Jamal and I. I just seasoned it, topped it with butter, and I'm just gonna throw it right on the cast iron. I only ate about 1/3 of the steak with carrots and broccoli. So again, I only ate 1/3 because steak is just, it sits really, really heavy in my stomach. So the next day, we stopped by Chick-fil-A for breakfast, and I got this grilled chicken egg white McMuffin. I took the McMuffin out and I just ate the grilled chicken and egg whites. It was really good. It obviously wasn't a lot, but it was really, really tasty. I didn't add any ketchup or hot sauce. I just ate it just like this. Now for lunch, this is a bit of a higher carb meal. These are crab cakes that I made. I got them from Giant Eagle, and I just threw them in oil for a couple minutes on both sides, and then I made my own like New Orleans sauce. It has like sriracha, mayo, and like Cajun seasoning. It was really good. But yeah, this meal had a lot of carbs in it, but it was really, really, really good. And then for dinner, I just made a low carb pizza in the air fryer. I'm gonna start off with one of these veggie tortillas. These only have 3 grams of net carbs in them. And then I'm gonna put some pizza sauce, some mozzarella cheese, and my toppings, which were pepperoni and mushrooms. I was really surprised of the outcome. I think I prefer this over the pan keto pizza that I made a couple videos ago. And all I did was just throw it in the air fryer for about 13 to 15 minutes on 375, and it came out so good, guys. Look at this pizza. Again, I definitely prefer this over the pan pizza that I made a couple videos ago. It was so good. It was like a thin crust pizza, except it's low carb. Now for breakfast, I just stopped by Chick-fil-A again and got their hash brown bowl with no hash browns. Basically, it's just scrambled eggs and grilled chicken and cheese. And so for lunch today, we had leftover hamburgers from my in-laws. So all I did was just melt the cheese in the microwave and use romaine lettuce as my bun. And I did add sugar-free ketchup. So this was my lunch for today. So for my dinner, I just sauteed some shrimp and made a grilled shrimp burrito. I used my veggie wrap and I had some chive and onions, cream cheese. I added avocado, some spring mix, and then my grilled shrimp. So this was my dinner. So for breakfast this morning, I just made 2 eggs over medium and had 2 pieces of turkey bacon. And yes, I'm very, very heavy-handed on the black pepper. And I wasn't really hungry for lunch, so I just made a little snack. I have some whole almonds, beef jerky, and some green grapes. And then for dinner, I made spaghetti for us, and then I just used this traditional Prego spaghetti sauce, and I'm gonna be making zucchini noodles. So I just sauteed all the veggies, added the jar of sauce in, and boom, this is my dinner. So I will admit that red meat just sits so heavy in my stomach. I wish I would have used ground turkey, because I don't know why. Let me know if you guys feel like this when you guys eat red meat, but I feel like it just sits in my stomach for like days, and it's not it doesn't hurt, but it's just uncomfortable. And then for my dessert, I did have keto ice cream. This is in the flavor brownies and cookie dough. This is my favorite. It tastes just like half-baked. If you guys ever had half-baked ice cream, it's really good. I did go over my carb intake for today, but you know what? That's okay. So for breakfast, I just made scrambled eggs and sausage links with a side of avocado. I did have to go in the office today for work, so I just stopped by Panda Express for lunch and got grilled chicken teriyaki, green beans and chicken, and their super greens. Again, this is from Panda Express, and this was only $8. And for dinner, we had Wendy's. This is the son of a Baconator. I took the bun out and I added romaine lettuce as my bun. So yeah, this was my dinner for tonight, guys. It was really good, but not proud of it. So this ends my week of keto. It wasn't the cleanest, but you know, I still lost a couple pounds. I weighed in at 155 pounds even, which means I lost 2.2 pounds this week. So not too shabby. All right, guys, I'm back. So as you guys can see, that was my week 2 of keto. Again, it was not the cleanest, but that's okay. I did lose a little bit over 2 pounds, which I'm really, really happy about. I actually thought I was going to gain, but when I, saw the scale, I was like, wow, like this is crazy. For the 3rd week, I'm still gonna do keto, but I am gonna be doing OMAD. If you guys don't know what OMAD is, it's 1 meal a day. It's sort of like intermittent fasting. Well, at least the way I plan on doing it. I plan on like eating every 24 hours. Okay, let me just Elaborate. I'm gonna start on Monday, and I'm gonna have my last meal like Sunday evening, which will be like at 6 o'clock. And then I won't eat until Monday evening at 6. And then I won't eat again until Tuesday evening at 6. So it's like I'm only eating every 24 hours. And I do believe that this will give me the results that I'm looking for before my trip. And that's the goal. That's the goal this month. You know, I have a goal, I want to get to it, and I will see you guys next week. I'll let you guys know how OMAD is and what I'm eating for that week. The next video, we will have a final weigh-in of how much I've lost. I'm gonna end this video here, guys. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.